What's up YouTube, welcome to another video. And as you guys already know that Samsung Unpack event is going to be held in February 11 on San Francisco, and literally there is a less than a month away and few weeks are remaining regarding the Unpacked event for Samsung Galaxy S20. And we are going to see two devices at that event. One is going to be the Galaxy Z Flip and the other one is Samsung Galaxy S20. A bunch of new devices regarding the Samsung Galaxy S20 is going to be released on that particular event. All the specification and design regarding that particular event has been leaked over the internet, and today I'm going to show you about the specification which are going to be coming in Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G and tell you about each and everything which we know through the leaks. So before going into the video, if you're new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it and hit the bell icon as well so you can get notified for every new awesome video which I upload on this channel. So guys, first we are going to discuss about the display which is coming on the Samsung upcoming device, the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. The front of the device is coming with a 6.9-inch Infinity or Dynamic AMOLED display which has a screen resolution of 3200 multiplied by 14 by 40p. It is also coming with a 511 ppi and it supports a WQHD plus resolution as well. Front of the device is also expected to come with a Gorilla Glass 6 protect. Also the front is also protected by IPS68 dust and water resistance. HDR10 plus is also going to be seen in the front of the device, and 120Hz refresh rate is going to be seen in that particular device, which is kind of a nice thing. And in terms of display, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is going to be one of the most best displays is going to be seen in upcoming Samsung Galaxy device. So in terms of processor, we are going to see two new processors which are going to be introduced in these devices. For the consumer which are present in the US, they are going to see a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor, while globally we see Exynos 990 processor in the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra device. Next is about the camera's whole shape. On the back side of the device, well, I have a quad camera. We have a quad camera setup on the back side, and if rumors are to be believed, we see the main camera is of 108 megapixel camera sensor, a 48 megapixel of telephoto lens, and a 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera. Along with that, we see a time of flight sensor on the back side which has a 10 times of optical zoom, 100 times of digital zoom, and it can record up to 8K 30 FPS frame of video recording, which is insane from Samsung. Front of the device is also coming with a selfie camera of 40 megapixel and which has the capability to record 4K videos up to 60 frames per second. Wow, the camera wise, the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is a beast. So next we are going to talk about the memory which is coming inside. So in terms of memory, we are going to see a 12GB or a massive 16GB of RAM inside the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. 128GB and 512GB of internal storage going to be seen in these particular devices. Software wise, we are not any surprise because latest is going right now from Google is Android 10, and we are going to see Android 10 inside the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. Also, Samsung has announced One UI 2.0 inside the Samsung Galaxy device. In terms of battery, well, it is coming with a 5000 mAh of a massive battery inside. Along with that, it is coming with a 45 watt of fast charging support inside, and it is not yet been sure that whether we see a 45 watt of charger inside the box or not. So that is pretty much it in this particular video. Also, I'm planning to make the specification videos regarding the S20 plus 5G and also the S20 5G based on the leak. So if you are curious about the specification of those two devices, you can subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. I will meet you in the next one. Peace out.